What are they doing with all of this wood? They're loading it into this strange machine and uploading some specifications. Once the wood is set in place, it'll start to spin. The machine is shaving off small pieces of wood. When the machine is finished, it's inspected to make sure it's straight. Perfect. Next, the wood is loaded onto a large conveyor belt and makes its way towards this machine. Here, the ends are sanded down, and the middles are sanded smooth. After another quick inspection, it's time for my favorite part, the big dip. Each piece is hand dipped in a pool of smooth lacquer, then hung to dry. Once the lacquer is set, they're finally finished. And that's how they make wooden baseball bats at Louisville Slugger in Louisville, Kentucky.